Well, the Zoom isn't working so good on this, but I'm in Joshua Tree right now. It's about 2 p.m. and all those beautiful clouds and everything. We can see probably today 100 miles easily. All the way out there, somewhere there's Mount Whitney out there. So today what we're going to be doing is working on a 1949 Ford. I think it's an 8N.
Correct.
And I'm here with the owner, Mr. Moore. And our job today is to get these brakes working. So what I'm going to do first, this is the tractor. I'm going to spray some penetrant in there. And for a while, the first thing we want to do is just get the brakes working. So and there's these are mechanical, so we'll have to pull the drum off and check to see if the pad is metal on metal. If it isn't, then we'll be able to just adjust it. So I'm gonna shut this down and go on a time lapse. Okay, here we are. We got the brake drum off. There's no ridge or anything per se on that. But this rear seal right here is leaking and it took out all the brakes. I'm assuming it's the same on the other side. So, because I can kind of see some oil in the wheel there. So we know we're going to have to get new brakes first. And he's got the manual, so we're going to go through that and see what it's going to take to do the rear seal on this and get an idea of where we're going to go next.